What's up, everyone? This is Randolph EY, and I'm back with a new unboxing in my channel RMI Productions. And today I'm gonna unbox two some techs and ADC gear for each and everyone. So before I start my unboxing, so be sure that you are subscribing my channel, and also you can click also the notification bell to notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel RMI Productions. So before we gonna start unboxing, let's do some intro. So guys, I'm gonna show you to you and share to you my new unboxing items for today, unboxing products. So let's start it up. So let's start up with this new wireless Bluetooth earphones from Music. So the brand is Music. So this is the name of the name. So this is the Music wireless headphone S dash offer. So new new tech from the Music brand, and also this is came from a department store here in our country Philippines. And also is what is this? So working range is the clear space of 10 meters, 250 milliamp per hour. So that is the battery capacity of it. And also, as you can see, there's a wireless captivity and use environmental protection materials matching simple design. Wow, that is, guys. So it is so nice and neat and clean. And let's let's check first the specs of this. So the sensitivity is 113 dB plus 3 dB, and also the frequency response of 20 to 20 kilohertz, and also the maximum power output of 20 megawatts, and also the driver unit of 40 millimeter mm. So in the impedance of 32, I think this is an omega. So and also the plug output is 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So they still have an you can still use an headphone jack if you don't want to use the Bluetooth. If the Bluetooth uh, if the headphone is out of battery, so you can use the you can use a 3.5 millimeter head jack for phone. And also there is the built-in mic on it. So let's take a closer look. Okay, and it's blurry. It's kind of blurry. Okay, so I think I just have to leave it like that. So on a mic and noise cancellation also. This is a noise cancellation. So legs and back wraps, and also a metallic. So with metallic painting, finish, fashion, and gorgeous texture, and a patented product, better guarantee for you. And this also, and treble and bass. So an excellent design with some very good functions. The sound quality is brilliant. So let's unbox it. So there you have it, guys. So this is the headphone. Wow, that's nice, guys. So and also a micro USB cord charger. So a lot of some tech YouTubers out there doesn't like micro USB. So I just want to send this message: micro USB is still needed today, because some of the tech and gadgets here in Philippines almost uses micro USB cords and micro USB ports. So here it is, guys. So some let's have some first impressions of it. So nice and cushion, so nice to your ears, not so, not ears, not it cannot hurt your ears. And also there is a, I don't know what this is, if it's, but yes, okay, okay, I just get it. So this is the cord that you can have it like that, and also the other one. And yes, wow, nice. This is also have this one. And here, here's some, this is the power button, and a plus and minus. So I think this is the volume rocker on it, and also you can skip track, I think. And the micro USB port, the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And I think one is an LED. So if you want to push the power, and also there's a microphone. So let's try. It is gray. Okay, that's the blue one. So the, if the LED blue is blinking, is now, okay, if the LED is blinking, so it is now working, connecting to your phone. And also this is the microphone. And also you can off, there's the LED, red LED, if you are, if you want to turn it off. So that's it, guys. So this is good, and I love the color of it. So pink in cushion and like that. And yeah, and I love the, also here, the band on the head. So like it is also, I just love it, I just love it. I rate it 10 over 10 over 10. So love it, love the cushion on the ear, and feels so nice and comfy. So you can relax. And also you can also use this for vlogging. So this is good, even though it don't have a microphone, but they still have a microphone on it, this one. Okay, so that's it. This is the unboxing and first impression of the wireless music headphone. So the next one is this. So this is not just a tech and gadget reviews, and also I review some EDC gear for anything. So this is the, what is this, what is the brand of this? Oh, I don't, okay, Bestguard. Bestguard 15 in 1 stainless steel multi-function knife. So they're great for explore, travel, camping, fishing, gardener, picnicking, car, bicycle, and a gift. So this just have this slotted screwdriver, bottle opener, knife, saw, hook remover, fish scaler, scissors, and the right one is a keyring. Yes, and corkscrew. So wine opener, wine bottle opener, wood. And also there's a, what is this? Needle. Oh, nice. There's a needle on it. And nail file, cleaner, leather punch, and a Phillips screwdriver. So this also has a what is this called, belt pouch. Okay, there's a belt pouch. Okay, I didn't see that. So this is the belt pouch, and let's gonna open it. So let's open this up, this one. So we're gonna open this in here. Okay, there it is. And wow, Nice, nice. Love this. So first we have some belt pouch on it. Whoa, nice, huh? Okay. There's a you can put some you can put it in your hips or waist like this one. And okay, wow, okay, this is good, this is good, right? Wow, nice. And go. Okay, let's have the first impression of it. So there it is, guys. So it is having an on it. And this one is a can opener. And also the scissor. And again, can opener. The knife. Oh, look at that. There's a an stainless steel. Also a saw, mini saw. Okay, you can use the saw like that in here. So let's take a sample. So okay, this one. So okay, not bad. I just test it. So okay, corkscrew, uh, mini Phillips screwdriver. Uh, there's also a knife on it. So I guess my hands are sweaty, so I can get it on. And also the hands have it there like that. And the other one. And also there's the other one. So that's it, guys. So let's turn it back on. And this is one, guys. So this is the Bestguard Swiss knife. So this is good. There is no brand. This is not the Swiss knife that mostly EDC gear YouTubers that they have. This is just a local and a local branded Swiss knife. So the brand is and the brand is Bestguard. So look at that. There's the Bestguard. So let's see some. There's the serial number C7311-S. So pocket tools are crafted of the finest materials and precision machined to provide the maximum currency in work life. They are manufactured in adherence with U.S. federal and ANSI specifications. So they are manufactured with the U.S. federal and ANSI specifications. So nice. So you can put that in your belt like that. Oh, nice. Okay. And okay, so caution: always wear eye protection when working with tools. Okay, this is better idea. So they have some precautions how to use it. So guys, this is the unboxing and first impressions of the two products or items that I unboxed for today. And also, so guys, that was the unboxing and first impressions of my two products that I making a vlog for today. And I'm sure that I'm hoping that you like my new videos for today. And I'm hoping that you will subscribe to my channel for more videos. And also, thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for watching. This is the RMR Productions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And also click the notification below to notify all of my upcoming videos here in my channel. And also please like, comment, and share my videos. And also share it with your loved ones, friends, and everything. So thank you so much for watching. This is the RMI Productions.